the Nagasaki bombing and the planned third atomic bomb. At 11:02 a.m. on August 9, 1945, the second atomic bomb, Fat Man, exploded over Nagasaki. Unlike the uranium-based bomb dropped on Hiroshima, Fat Man was a plutonium-type bomb with a different structure. Plutonium bombs were easier to produce, but emitted stronger radiation and were far more difficult to handle safely. The hypocenter in Nagasaki was located in the Urakami district, near an industrial zone, about 3 kilometers from the city center. Due to the surrounding mountainous terrain, Nagasaki was spared the total devastation seen in Hiroshima, yet approximately 70,000 lives were still lost. The bomb's flash was said to reach temperatures of 15,000 C, about 10 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Directly beneath the explosion, heat rays of 3,000 to 4,000 C rained down, instantly killing many people and melting steel. Why were 2 different types of atomic bombs used? The answer lies in an official post-war statement from the United States. We have successfully conducted 2 atomic bomb experiments. In other words, the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki were not only acts of war, they were live tests of 2 distinct nuclear weapons, with civilians as the subjects. What's especially noteworthy is that by this point, the U.S. already knew Japan was on the verge of surrender. Military reports submitted to President Truman indicated that Japan had lost its capacity to resist, and would likely surrender by November or December even without the use of atomic bombs. Yet the U.S. atomic bombing plan was never intended to end with just 2 bombs. Recently declassified documents reveal that the United States had prepared additional atomic bombs. Records from the George C. Marshall Library, declassified in 2020, include a directive issued by General Leslie Groves, head of the Manhattan Project, dated August 10. It stated that a third bomb could be dropped after August 17. Further records from an August 13 phone conference between General Hull of the Operations Division and Colonel Seaman of the Manhattan Project indicate plans for a third bomb on August 19, a 4th and 5th in September, and bombs 6 through 8 in October. In fact, a document from Truman's meeting with the British ambassador on August 14 records him saying that there is no alternative but to drop the third bomb on Tokyo. Initial plans even considered dropping more than 20 atomic bombs prior to a full-scale invasion of the Japanese mainland to annihilate the Japanese military.